Hi friends, today I will tell you about the dose calculation. In this topic, firstly I will cover the concentration. What is the concept of concentration? According to me, concentration is how much amount of medicine is present or available in 1 ml. Let's take an example. You have an ampule which contains 5 mg in 5 ml. So this 5 mg in 5 ml, this is called medication strength. So here I need to know about the concentration. So concentration means if I draw a 1 ml from this ampule, so how much medicine is present in this 1 ml? This is called the concentration. So I have to find out the amount of medicine which is available in 1 ml. The formula is very simple. You know the total strength of your medicine is 5 mg and total volume is 5 ml. So 5 ones are 5. So our concentration will be 1 mg per ml. This is our concentration. So concentration mean 1 ml में कितनी मेडिसिन अवेलेबल है. This is called concentration. Let's take another example. For example, you have ordered to prepare a norepinephrine infusion. In this infusion, you add 42 ml 5% dextrose water and you add 8 mg per 8 ml norepinephrine. So firstly you have to know how much the total ml is present. 42 ml of dextrose and 8 ml of norepinephrine. So total ml is 50. And the total amount of drug which is present in this syringe is 8 mg. So it's mean in your whole syringe total amount of medicine is 8 mg and total volume is 50 ml. Now we have to calculate the concentration. So simply divide 8 mg onto 50. So your answer will be 0.16 mg per ml. It is the simplest form for calculation of the concentration. Dose divided by volume. It is called concentration. Now the concentration is available into 0.16 mg per ml and I want to convert this concentration into mics. So I will multiply this whole amount with 1000. So now the concentration will be 160 mics mcg per ml. Let's summarize. We have defined the concentration is how much medicine is present in 1 ml. To calculate this, we must know about the dose, how much dose is present, and total volume. Thank you.